Have you ever wanted to purchase one of those instant gazebos from Amazon? How easy are they actually to put together? Hi everyone, it's a Foreborn Life. Welcome to my channel. Well, today I am going to attempt to put together this pop-up gazebo. It has the 4 sides and it has a zipper so we can keep the mosquitoes out, and I'm hoping that it's going to work. I purchased it on Amazon because in this area I would really like to have a sunroom or a screen room, but of course those are costly. I got a quote. If I do the whole back of my patio, it was $55,000. So I currently don't have $55,000. So I figured, what other way could I enjoy my backyard and still come outside and not getting eaten up by the mosquitoes and have a covering? This is the back patio area that I would like to have closed in. If you can tell, it is actually already shaped like a U, but only need like one wall and a roof to turn it into a sunroom. I think my husband, I can do it, but he's just not a DIYer. So, but this is the area that I would like to close in. The white table with the rust on it was a trash day drive-by. I noticed it when we were doing our morning run, and when we got finished, I told my husband we need to go back and pick it up. And those white chairs were found on the highway, believe it or not. Okay, so it already comes together in this black bag. Let's see what we got here. Let's put it together. You can see that it comes in the black bag like this. All right. Okay. So this is this part. The steel frame, the black bag, then you have your netting, your roof, and your anchors. And that's what it should look like. And the instructions. Partially open the frame. Insert the exposed end of the eave extender into the fitting at each corner. Makes more sense. This is the eaves extender. So this is the eaves, and then you have to take this extender, and it has this little notch on it, and then you find the little notch on the canopy, and then you slide that end on there. Okay. And then there's a big opening in the middle. So that's going to go around like that. I don't know if you can see the little notch. And then you take this in and you're just going to slide it in there until you hear it click. There we go. Oh, and it's got the little, so you can see here on the side that you have it all the way in. Okay, finished with part 1. Now let's go on to step 2. So this is the small top. It says place the small top over the central hub of the frame. Okay, so you are supposed to take this piece here and attach it to the top. You see you have this little notch right here, and then you're supposed to take and attach it down to this. Okay, I think I got it. So on this part, you're going to need another person. Okay, you do that in, and I'll do this in. Just pull it out. My husband came outside to help me with his fleece jacket on. He got a little hot, so he had to take it off. And he never has to worry about the mosquitoes biting him because they love me.
But they don't have a QR code where you can scan and actually look at the actual assembly.
Yeah.
But
That's for real stuff. Okay, so don't follow the instructions if you happen to buy this particular brand, because you cannot put those extenders on there until you get it up in the air, and then you can put it on and tighten the canopy. Okay. Whew, that was hard. Oh, I gotta do the same. Oh. Attach the ropes at the top. It was 4 pieces of string. Okay. So it's not just one continuous piece of string, it's actually 4 strings, and 2 of them are tied together. So just be forewarned if you start trying to put that together. So I guess it's 1 string for each corner. Well, the zipper's broken on this end already, so hopefully I can slide that back in there. But it doesn't matter because I only want one zipper to open up. Yeah, that's broken. The zipper's not right. It's not a very sturdy zipper if I can push it back in with my finger, so. But like I said, I only need one side to open up. Hopefully all of them won't be that bad. So you have to put all of these hooks on these little brown clips, these little ribbon clips, and then I can hang it up. It's a lot of clips. And you might say, why are you working in the dark? Because I work a full-time job and I also work for a nonprofit, and this weekend we're having an event, and so I know that on Saturday I will not get to spend any time in my yard because I'm gonna do that event, and then that evening we have a birthday party to go to, and so I am not gonna have any time. And I was hoping to have this up so maybe I can actually come home from work tomorrow and just sit down and enjoy it, and we'll see how that goes. Because I love to be outside, but the mosquitoes eat me up. And so, if I could come outside and have on a nice sleeveless dress and enjoy a good book, but maybe I still drink coffee even though it's hot. With some coffee, that would be awesome. This is the final product of my pop-up gazebo. It wasn't as easy as they say in the directions. It took a lot of making up my own directions to actually put it together. As you can see, it has the 4 sides and each side has a zipper. So if you wanted to actually pull the mesh back, you could and tie it up on the sides. I'm concerned about my mint that I have in this planter. I'm not sure if it's going to get enough sunlight because I have this gazebo here, and right there I have some Carolina jasmine. I'm pretty pleased with it. I actually came home that Friday evening and I sat outside and I read a book. How long will it last? I do not know. Wait to find out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.